Hello everybody, today is day 4 of lockdown. I'm having a little cheeky break, 22k today as usual, and today I'm offering you some advice on T-junctions. T-junctions, we see a lot of people practice at home, they come back and their parents have made them stop at every single T-junction. And then I ask the parents, do you stop at every junction? And they say, well no, but I passed my test. And I'm like, okay, right, so in America, they make you stop at every junction. They don't trust you. Here we give a little bit more leniency, you get to give way. But they also let you carry a gun, but you know, that's a different conversation. So at T-junctions, there are 3 types: unmarked, give way and stop. At a stop, you have a solid white line, stop written on the floor, and a big red octagonal sign. There is only one of its type in the highway code, so it stands out. You must compulsorily stop. I would recommend to use the handbrake so that when you drive off from there, you don't have that little thought in the back of your brain, did I actually stop? Did I stop? Oh my God. So on a test, when that starts to happen, you can end up making more mistakes because you're not concentrating on what you're doing. So I would recommend you stop, physically put the handbrake on. The most important thing at any type of junction is to do enough observation. Lack of observation at junctions is one of the biggest reasons for road deaths, serious accidents, outweighs drink driving, drug driving, texting, you know, all sorts of stuff. It's just not looking properly. So the minimum is that you look right, left, before you cross the line, and again right, left as you're actually turning. If you do that, you will be safe. If you see something, you need to stop. So at give way, as long as you slow right down, if visibility is really poor, then I'd recommend that you slow right down. That's what we call closed junction. Slow down till you nearly stop. Just before you stop, put it into first, use gas and clutch control to creep it forwards. Do those looks I've explained, and if safe, proceed at the junction. You don't need to stop. The other myth we see is that you can't put it in first gear till you stop. Well, modern cars, they're a flexible machine. They're not like my Ford Fiesta back in the day, which you literally had to stop because the synchro mesh wouldn't allow you to put it into first. That's a term that youngsters don't hear, and it's synchro mesh. There we go. So that's it really. If there was no road markings at all, it's really important and to be even more aware that other people might cut the corner, that it's less clear who's got priority, and actually in the eyes of the law, because there are no road markings, nobody has priority. So it's a bit more difficult to prove liability if there were no road markings. So just need to be even more careful at those. You don't need to stop, but just treat them like a give way. And that's it. So again, I'm just going to plug my mate Joe. He is a cancer fighter. He's on chemotherapy tablets. He is walking 8,000 kilometers and covering 50,000 meters in elevation. The link to his Just Giving Virgin Money page is below. Would be massively grateful if you could take a look at that and his website. So that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow.